Listen, how to fix your credit and make your first $1,000. Really, this can be done in less than 30 days, but let's just say 90 days or less to play it safe. However, it all depends on your ability to execute at the end of the day. So I welcome you and invite you to the Credit Business University. This is the platform that is positioned on School Academy, and I'm just going to do an overview of how you can fix your credit and make your first $1,000, simple and plain. And if you're already in the group, then I strongly suggest that you dive into everything I'm about to share. All of the modules that are necessary to do just that have been unlocked. So once you get access, you'll get to this section where it says start here. Once you get to the start here section, this is about seeing if you have any errors or inaccuracies on your credit report that qualify you for a payout up to $2,500. So we want you to do that first because so many people are walking around with FCRA violations on their credit report, not knowing that they're entitled for anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500. Well, let's get that out of the way first. Let's let our legal team review your report, see if you qualify for up to $2,500. If so, let's make that happen. Then you can proceed with the rest of what we have here in store. Then it goes into the boost your credit section. Fix your credit fast using laws most people don't know about. In this section, you'll learn how to remove, etc. But let's dive into the content of it. So the first thing is the importance of the section, breaking down the importance of the section, because a lot of times people only focus on certain things, not knowing that credit is a holistic item, meaning that you want to approach it from multiple angles, not just be a one-trick pony or a one-sided method, because credit is a combination of things. So the importance of this section breaks it down. Then the formula for incredible credit, where it breaks down how credit works overall and gives you the formula so you can understand the sauce of what exactly you need specifically to your situation, not just hearing any and everything online and assuming that good information applies to you. So even if it's excellent information, it might not be applicable to you. But if you understand the formula, then you can know when it's something that's applicable to you or not. It's nothing like somebody diagnosing or saying that, hey, you can benefit from this or benefit from that, and they do not know what's going on with your profile. And if they just automatically assume, then that's a misdiagnosis of your report. So that formula breaks that down. How to get approved for almost anything. Many people want to know the formula for a 800 plus credit score. There you go. 5-day credit repair challenge. So it breaks it down in depth so you can really not only understand the formula, but exactly what you can do with each area of your credit and giving you actionable steps that you can follow video by video. So it's the 5-day credit challenge, but you don't have to, wait 5 days to consume it. You can knock it out back to back to back if you so choose. And it positions you to not only better and understand your own credit, but when it comes to the ability to make money, now you have a thorough understanding of credit and how it works, and it puts you in a better position to help others. Then I got the 24-hour inquiry removal guide. A lot of people can benefit from this because too many inquiries can drag your score down because it looks like you're needy, you're begging, you always want to ask for money. I got you covered. That's included. How to get your job to pay off your credit cards. That's a part 1, 2, and 3, but it's loaded because a lot of people miss this step. They forget that credit, like I stated, is a holistic item. So you got to take a holistic approach. And many people have jobs not knowing that they may qualify for a certain feature that allows them to have a job to pay off their credit cards when done strategically, when done correctly. I'll let you discover what that's about on the inside. Then once you're done with that, and we may be adding videos and modules and things of that nature in here as well, but I want to make sure you have the foundation. But from there, now let's get into the making money. So I invite you right here to make money with me. There's multiple ways you can make money. You can invite people to this group and you get 50%. I get 50%, you get 50%, which means that we are on the same playing field. I'm not giving you 10%, I get 90. No, 50-50. So that's a huge opportunity because this can be residual income that you make just by sharing this group with others. Even if you don't want to fix credit for people or sell your own product or service, you have the ability to invite people to this group. They get access to all of this information, and now you make money month after month after month. You can build a quality residual income, passive income, and let that pay for some of your bills or multiple bills or your lifestyle if you spread the word so you can make money with me. It also talks about how you can actually launch your credit business, and it gives you access to a trial so you can position yourself to not only help others but look like you've been in business for years, even if you just started. So it shows you how you can go about launching your own credit business. That way you're helping others, and then of course you'll have support and guidance along their journey from myself by you being a part of this group in this community. Set up your client portal for success. Once you take advantage of the video previously, because you want to go through all of these in order, we're showing you how to set up your portal for success, how to do a proper credit analysis and onboarding, for your client, how to put client first dispute letters together. It's a typo I got to correct right there. How to get set up to collect payments, because how are you gonna actually get the $1,000 if you're not set up to collect payments? Show you how to do that there. Make $1,000 in a day with this sales script. This sales script is powerful. It works. This right here is worth the price of admission, regardless of what you paid or invested to get in this group, because it is an investment. It is a tax deduction, because it is a business move that you made by joining this group. That video alone can put the $1,000 in your pocket in a day. I said make your first 1,000, but that could be spread out, or you can position yourself and posture yourself so that way you can have $1,000 days from this information. Then make 100 to 1K or more with FCRA violations. So basically, I show you how you can make additional income by also positioning people to see if they have some type of FCRA violation on their report. It's all in here. And a brief difference between the FCRA and FDCPA, just for those who might, not know the difference. And then invest in yourself tax-free, where you can take it to the next level. Meaning that, this right here can show you how to make $1,000 or multiple thousands of dollars. However, if you want to take it to the next level, just understand that investing in yourself can be tax-free. So this right here is how you can make your first $1,000. All you got to do is get in the group, follow the steps, better your credit, understand how credit works. Once you do all of these things, you go through the next module of making money, and you're well on your way with support, with guidance. And there's people already in here who are taking advantage of some of this information. And if you're already in this group, just know all of these modules are unlocked and available for you to take advantage of, because I can't wait for you to make your first 1K and much more. That's all I got for this video. Mr. Smith signing out. The link should be available. Get enrolled, take action, and I'll see you on the inside. Salute.